Welcome to the BrainyBubblesKids. Learn, laugh, and grow together. Hello, friends! Today, we're going on a fun farm adventure. We'll meet animals and discover where they live. Are you ready? Let's go explore the farm together.
Quack, 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 quack.
Quack, quack, duck, swimming all around. Happy little duck, live near the pond. Neigh, neigh, horse, strong and able. At night, he rests inside the stable. Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, cluck, hen, laying eggs each day. In her little coop, she likes to stay. Here's a cow, so big and brown. Moo, 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 moo. She lives in a barn. Billy the goat loves to hop and tread. He chews his grass and lives in a shed. Who loves the pond? The duck? Where does the horse sleep? In the stable. Who lives in a coop? The hen. Who lives in the barn? Yes, the cow. Who stays in a shed? The goat. Baa-baa sheep with wool so bright. Sheep live happily in a pen at night. Woof woof dog wagging his tail. Happy little dog lives in a kennel. Purring cat with eyes so bright. She sleeps in the farmhouse every night. Gobble, 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 turkey. Feathers wide. He struts around the farmyard with pride. Honk, honk, goose with feathers so neat. By the pond is her favorite seat. Who lives in a pen? That's right, the sheep. Who guards the farm in a kennel? The dog. Who lives in the farmhouse? The cat. Who struts in the yard? The turkey. Who honks by the pond? The goose. Great job, friends! You discovered farm animals and their homes. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.